Welcome back to LGS Cars. Imagine a long road cutting through the mountains. A thin layer of mist floats above the asphalt, and the first light of sunrise begins to paint the horizon. Everything feels calm, untouched, waiting. Then from the distance, a silhouette appears. Not loud, not aggressive, but undeniably confident. The vehicle moves forward with quiet precision, as if it already understands every curve of the road ahead. Its LED headlights slice through the fog, sharp and focused. The body lines look stronger, more refined, an evolution that feels intentional in every detail. And the moment it stops in front of you, you realize something instantly. This is not just another SUV. This is an icon redefined. Introducing the Toyota RAV4, the latest evolution of a global bestseller from Toyota, now enhanced with smarter technology, improved efficiency, and a more premium driving experience. Design, bold evolution, refined presence. The Toyota RAV4 2026 builds on its rugged DNA while embracing a more modern and aerodynamic identity. Exterior highlights: redesigned front grille with a cleaner, more upscale look, slimmer LED headlights with sharper daytime running lights, sculpted hood and stronger character lines, new alloy wheel options, 18 to 20 inch, full-width LED rear light bar. The overall design feels more premium, more efficient, and more mature. Dimensions estimated. Length, approximately 4,650 millimeters. Width, approximately 1,880 millimeters. Height, approximately 1,690 millimeters. Wheelbase, approximately 2,700 millimeters. These proportions deliver stable driving dynamics. Spacious interior, excellent everyday usability. Interior, smart, comfortable, and modern. Step inside the Toyota RAV4, and the improvements are immediately noticeable. Cabin experience: cleaner dashboard with improved ergonomics, higher quality materials, and finishes better sound insulation for a quieter ride. Technology: 12.3 to 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, fully digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air OTA, software updates, advanced voice control system, comfort features, heated and ventilated seats, dual or tri-zone climate control, panoramic sunroof, premium upholstery options, designed for both daily comfort and long-distance travel. Powertrain, efficient and capable. The Toyota RAV4 2026 continues to focus on electrified performance, hybrid HEV, 2.5-liter engine plus electric motor, combined output, approximately 220 to 240 horsepower, available in FWD or AWD, plug-in hybrid PHEV, total output, up to approximately 300 plus horsepower, electric-only range, approximately 80 to 100 kilometers. Standard AWD system driving experience. Smooth acceleration, quiet and refined ride, improved suspension tuning, balanced handling and comfort, a perfect combination of efficiency and real-world usability. Efficiency and practicality, fuel economy. Hybrid, approximately 20 to 25 kilometers per liter, estimated combined. Plug-in hybrid benefits: lower fuel consumption, ability to drive short distances in full electric mode, reduced emissions, cargo space, large luggage capacity, fold flat rear seats, hands-free tailgate on higher trims, built for family use, travel, and everyday practicality. Smart technology, connected driving, key features: digital key via smartphone, cloud-connected navigation, wireless charging pad, smart vehicle monitoring system, safety, Toyota Safety Sense, next generation, adaptive cruise control lane, keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring traffic sign, recognition designed to enhance driver confidence and safety. Market position: still a global leader. The Toyota RAV4 remains one of the best-selling SUVs in the world. Main competitors: Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, Mazda CX-5, Why it still stands out: proven reliability, strong resale value, leading hybrid efficiency, balanced features and design, a vehicle that continues to set the benchmark. Final verdict: evolution done right. The Toyota RAV4 doesn't try to completely reinvent itself. Instead, it improves everything that matters. Check mark, more refined design. Check mark, smarter technology. Check mark, better efficiency. Check mark, enhanced comfort. This is not just an update. This is the most complete and advanced RAV4 ever built. And in a world filled with new challengers and electric disruption, this SUV proves that true icons don't fade. They evolve, adapt, and lead the future.